I help people learn things that they need to learn in their profession so they can turn around and give service to those who are sick. Therefore, my vehicle needs to be reliable. But with CarShield, I know that I am safe. I now own my dream car. I give all of my vehicles names. This one particularly is named Faith. I live in the South, and summers are brutal. This particular summer, my air conditioner went out. I am not driving this vehicle without an air conditioner. CarShield administrators came through for me in the dead of summer in the South with air conditioning.
CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company. And with the new CarShield app, you can call for roadside assistance and file a claim right on the spot. Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, who can even help you find a repair shop near you.
Pulled up the app. It asked me simple questions. What's the breakdown? Do you need towing services? I was at the mechanic the very next day and driving not long after that.
CarShield offers plans that cover repairs on up to 5,000 parts of your car, including your transmission, engine, electronics, and more.
I love to travel. And for CarShield administrators to save us over $1,000, that's money that I could plan my next vacation.
Plans also include 24/7 roadside assistance with courtesy towing, flat or damaged tires, lockouts, and rental car options.
I have friends all over the country, but I don't worry about leaving my comfort zone and going to see my friends because I know that I am covered with my coverage through CarShield. CarShield administrators give us that freedom to drive nationwide, unlimited mileage.
Protect yourself from the unprecedented rise in cost for parts and repairs. Call CarShield to save money with your price lock guarantee. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.